साथ सही था, साथ सही था जिससे साथ सही था। हेलो
Oh, look at that. This lug here actuates on this knob here, which forces the carrier to forces it back, obviously charging the action. So it is captive, so it'll only move once you actuate it. It won't move when it's firing. It won't move on recoil. So it's exact AK action. Simple AK action on the inside. Simple AK action, short stroke like a Trinkov or an AK-74U. This one has been fired, test fired. So internally identical to an AK, milled receiver, and it's had this magwell here has been obviously added to the actual milled receiver to allow it to accept standard Stanag magazines. So internally exactly like an AK, but externally it's an M4 shape. Obviously you can adjust the stock. I believe this one is a 4-position stock. Yeah, barrel profile, if you look at it, it has been machined to look exactly like an M4 in its contour and its shape. Hand guards too, there. Picatinny. Obviously standard selector in the AK region. How an AK selector works in exactly the same way, but obviously it's more shortened. So we've got safe, then auto, then semi. Now these are actually quite popular on the market these days because the price of an actual M4 is through the roof, even for a locally made one. So these are AK action ones, which are cheaper to produce. Now I'm going to put this back together and show you. So this is the difficult bit. Nope, still no. I'm going to try and get it in without messing anything up. Ah, there we go. So you can see when it fires, this will not move back. It will only move back when you actually actuate the bolt with it, not when it's firing, when you charge the rifle. This does not actually function. The forward assist does not function. It's just it's a moving piece, but it doesn't function as an actual forward assist. So just looking over it one more time. These come marked in in different ways. You can get them Colt marked, Spikes tactical marked, even just Pak made or Pakistan made marked. This one is an unmarked version. However, they do come in various they'll come with various manufacturer markings.
सिंगल है ना
सिंगल
सिंगल है यार मिनट थोड़ा
मैं भी दो लगाऊंगा सिंगल में 15 में फुल ऑटो में।
ऊपर करो ऊपर ये 5 गुलियां ऐसे भी खेल रहा है ऐसे कोई
Short stroke.